Hey there. If you have watched this channel, you know that I've been using a Google Pixel Fold, and I love the device, but I recently had some camera issues with it, and I had to send it back to Google to get it repaired and all this kind of stuff. But as I did so, I thought I love the camera the most, and I've been interested in the OnePlus Open for a long time, and there was a deal on it, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take the plunge, and I'm taking it mainly because of that. It's the OnePlus Open X Hasselblad, and yeah, I'm a big fan of Hasselblad cameras, so I thought I would unbox it. Um, and that is really, really nice already. And that I'll pick up. Ooh, yes. This is a beautiful, beautiful phone. Wow. That is a spectacular looking device. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Feels great in the hand. Yeah, and then obviously there's more stuff in there, but I thought I would unbox that first. And now I'm going to set this up and I'm going to tell you what I think of this and how much I enjoy this Hasselblad camera.